I'm a daytime toker. Dude, it just rained and you're washing your car.
I'm gonna walk up to that guy down there going.
Dude, he's washing his car and it just rained.
Are you really going to?
Yeah.
Why don't you turn up the volume?
I'm gonna wait for a car.
What?
I'm gonna wait for a car. And if they honk, it's gonna be hilarious. I'm just gonna. You shall not pass.
No, just you gotta get underneath and you go.
Dude, I hope I never like screw your cousin or something. You end up hating me for it.
Oh, and then I'll put these all over your mouth.
Actually, you're gonna have to send it to me later.
Alright, get this.
Alright, you need to stop. You're looking weird.